What's up, guys? I want to give you this quick update here. What's happening right now with Bitcoin? Bitcoin saw another huge dump in the night, and I told you yesterday. Let's see what happened right now. So I told you yesterday about this huge, big. Wait a minute. On the 1 hour, we see it better. Huge bear flag, and we broke it down. You see it perfectly. I told you if we break here this level of around 20,650, we can start shorting down. Congratulations to everyone who shorted here down. You are right now at least something like 3% in profit, right? We didn't reach right now not yet the price target, right? Because the technical price target of this bear flag is around 19,500, 19,600. So there could be still room to go to the downside, right? So what is right now important? So I have to a little bit stretch this line right now. I mean, this line is not important because we broke down the rising wedge. You see fake out to the downside, upside, and then we broke down. So yes, let's see. So right now, what is important for us, guys? It's very clear in my opinion. Why is it so hanging a little bit? It's very important for us right now, guys. So it's very clear we could still go to the downside, further to the downside, because we didn't reach the price target once, and twice because we are dumped on Friday night. So usually we see dump throughout the weekend. It's not a guarantee, guys, but usually we see further dump throughout the weekend. Right now we see relief to the upside because it's obvious we were heavily oversold. Right now we are getting neutral territory, so this is very healthy. And preparing possibly for another dump. So a long opportunity is, in my opinion, very clear. If we're breaking here this level of 20,331, we can start long. First price tag will be 20,581. So this 1.2%, 10x average 12%, 20x average 25%. So this could be a huge long opportunity. The second price tag would be 20,730. The next one would be 20,820. And the next one would be here our blue resistance line, which previous support line. This would be around 21,150. We know this level is a very huge support and resistance level, so this could be trade along of 4%, 10x average 40%, 20x average 80% trade opportunity, but only if we're breaking here this level of 20,331, right? And very important, take profits along the way, especially here, because we could see a quick reversal to the downside, right? Because we're in an obvious in a downtrend, right? So a short opportunity is also very clear. If we're breaking here this level of 20k, we can start further shorting down. I tell you the price targets quickly. Wait a minute, I have to zoom out. So the price targets also here are very clear. So if we're breaking 20k, we can start shorting down Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. First price target would be obviously our price target of this bear flag, right? So this would be at around 90,600. I would take profits. It's 2%, 10x average 20, 20x average 40%. The next price tag would be 19,300. The next one would be 18,900. 80,900 is here. The price target of this huge rising wedge, this red one, you see, this is the bottom of the wedge. Then we perfectly reach the price target. So 18,900 would be the next price target. Then we could go even lower to 18,600 and to 18,040 and even to 17,600, 17,650. So 11.6%, 10x average 110%, 20x average over 220%, right? So very important. I would only short if we're breaking down this line of 20k around, right? Because right now, usually we're breaking further to the downside, but nobody knows. This is more the safe thing. For the super professionals one, you could also short if we're getting a little bit more overbought and start shorting, because usually we're dumping further on the weekend. But I would wait until we break either 20k for shorting or 20,331 approximately for longing, in my opinion. Ethereum saw also huge dump because Bitcoin dumped. We perfectly reached our price targets. Let's quickly watch. I told you about the dump of Ethereum since we broke this line. You remember? I told you here's a huge short opportunity. I closed my trade here somewhere. My short trade, I should let the trade more open. Yes, but I jumped too early into a long. it was my fault. You see, sometimes I'm also wrong, but it's only proves that I'm Nostradamus. No, I'm joking, guys. So please do your own research. It was also a very bad joke, so bad that I should shit in my pants. It was a very bad joke. So let me watch. So if Bitcoin breaks to the upside, first price like 1,518 of Ethereum, next one 1,532, 1,540. The next one would be 1,557, and the next one 1,566, 3.8%, 10x average 38%, 20x average over 76%. Long opportunity if Bitcoin breaks to the downside. We can start shorting down Ethereum further, and the possibility that we are breaking down to the downside is more likely than to the upside, because on the weekend we saw this dump, right? So first price tag will be 1,470. If Bitcoin dumping, we can short also Ethereum. 1,422 the next one. Then a huge support is coming at 1,364, and then the huge support is only coming at 1,285. So this could be 15% short opportunity, 10x average 150%, 20x leverage over 300% short opportunity on Ethereum, right? So very clear, guys. I show you quickly my trade. My trade is in a big loss right now, $2,200 in a loss. My Ethereum long position. I have to watch if I close it. Maybe if we see a little bit relief to the upside, maybe I will close it. I will see. Please do your own research. Don't just copy. You see, I'm in a loss here right now. Maybe I will close it in a loss and switch to a short. I have to wait. I watch what is Bitcoin doing, because on Bitcoin it's very clear. That if we're breaking here this level of 20,000, we should short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Maybe then I will switch to a short. Let's see. I have also my long-term position long on Bitcoin, guys. You see this position is also $1,800 in a loss right now, $140,000 in contract size, but there's the liquidation at 14,500. But I would even add to this position, because this is a long-term position, long position. So very clear, guys. In my opinion, if we're breaking 20k, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we're breaking above 20,331, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Please take quick profits along upside or downside, because we can have a quick reversal to the downside or to the upside. Nobody knows. But the probability that we are breaking further down is more likely than up, because we didn't reach our price target of this bear flag right now, 9,545 or 9,600, and we are dumped here. Saw this huge dump on the weekend, and usually we're dumping throughout the weekend. Let's see. Don't forget, guys, we are trading right now on Bybit. On Bybit, you get $4,620 for free after initial deposit. On Bybit, you get access to my Discord channel for free if you're trading through my affiliate link, which we are building right now. Link is down below, and 30 days zero maker fee you get also through Bybit. So it's a clear win-win situation. If you want to have more information, guys, you can join our Telegram channel, which is for free. Link is also down below. I give you more information throughout the day. And thank you everyone who hitting the like button. I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.